Amazon and I ordered Thin Slim Foods Zero Net Carb Bread. This bread's got 45 calories per slice, 7 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fiber, 0 net carbs, and 7 grams of protein. I decided to make 4 things. For the avocado toast, I toasted the bread, mashed some avocados, and added some everything bagel seasoning. It was delicious. I give it a 9 out of 10. Peanut butter and jelly was next. I just made it regular, peanut butter on one side, jelly on the other side, and to be honest, it came out a little bit dry, but not bad. I give it a 7 out of 10. An egg sandwich was next. I toasted the bread, made the egg, and put some cheddar cheese on there because I love cheddar cheese. And I have to say, it was pretty delicious. I give it a 9 out of 10. Do you ever wish you could have French toast on a Sunday morning? Well, now you can. It might not be the prettiest thing I made, but boy, was it delicious. 10 out of 10. I told you guys before how much I love cheese, and this sandwich did not disappoint. Grilled cheese sandwich on this bread was pretty amazing as well. I give it a 9 out of 10. This Thin Slim bread was actually pretty delicious. And if you're thinking that you can't have bread right now because you're watching your carbs, maybe this will allow us all to have some bread back in our lives. Thanks for watching and have a good one.